and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Carmelim bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. On 6 April, in the Don Bosco Temple, the Salesian Arnold Rispe was ordained a priest through the imposition of hands and the consecratory prayer of Monsignor Jesus Haruas Paraga, SDB Archbishop Emeritus of Sucre. Present at the ceremony were Don leader Justiniano, Superior of the Salesian Province of Bolivia, BOL, parents, family and friends of the new priests. For over 2 years, the Salesian Family Youth Center has actively participated in events organized by the Los Angeles Area Chamber of Commerce. Thanks to these commitments and the new connections, a significant collaboration was born with the charity Vision y Compromiso. This partnership was sealed as part of an event called Agenda Your Health is in Your Hands, organized by Vision y Compromiso and held at the end of March at the Salesian Family Youth Center. The initiative served as a platform to bring together representatives of various healthcare institutions, highlighting the importance of collaboration in addressing the health and well-being of society. The event fostered in-depth discussions and exchanges on urgent health issues such as access to health services, preventive measures and community awareness strategies. The General Counselor for Social Communication, Father Galdazio Mendes, is engaged in an animation visit in the Mary Immaculate Vice Province of Madagascar and Mauritius, MDG, from 9 to 11 to April 2024. Arriving at the Vice Province House on the afternoon of Tuesday, 9 to April, Father Galdazio Mendes met with the Superior of MDG, Father Innocent Bizimana, and spoke with him about the situation of social communication in the Vice Province, current situation, projects carried out and in progress. After an hour of fraternal dialogue, Father Galdazio Mendes joined the community in prayer and then in the evening agape. During Easter week, the inspectoral chapter of the Salesians of the Eastern United States and Canada took place at the Mary Help of Christians Center in Tampa, Florida. 35 members of the SUE province participated in the chapter coming from both the United States and Canada. Monsignor Robert Nguyen Lynch, Bishop Emeritus of St. Petersburg, Florida, led the retreat and presided over the Mass on the opening day of the chapter. The following day, the FMA and the Salesian cooperators were invited to participate in discussions regarding the reality of lay people working side by side with the Salesians. Furthermore, at the end of the chapter, Inspectorate Day was celebrated, which began with Mass and continued with moments of reflection and brotherhood. Finally, as a sign of gratitude, the provincial chapter of St. John Bosco, Province of Calcutta, INC, began on 8 April on the theme Passionate About Jesus Christ, dedicated to young people, living a Salesian vocation faithfully and prophetically. The chapter began with a day of recollection led by Father James Matthew in the Nitika Chapel. Archbishop Thomas de Souza, Archbishop of Calcutta, presided over the solemn Eucharistic celebration and invited the Salesians to be good listeners, to focus on ongoing formation and to update Salesian pedagogy in the digital world. So viewers, with that, we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.